Seedance 2.0 is over. I'm gonna show you the 3 best AI video generator that you can use for free and generate as much videos as you want. There is music and no watermarks. So if you want to create amazing AI videos, watch the video until the end to see the best AI tools. Before we start, in the next video, I'm gonna show you the best AI video generator that you can use for free and generate as much videos as you want. So if you don't want to miss this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video to support our channel. And finally, the most important, join our free AI newsletter where you will get the latest AI news and AI tools. And if you join right now, you will get the 20 AI tools to use in 2026. The link is in the description. Let's start. The first AI that I'm going to show you in this video that you can use for free and generate as much videos as you want is Meta.ai. You can access it very easily and get into this interface. And here we can do many different things. The first thing is to click on vibes on the left and you have many different videos that other people created. But if you want to create your own AI video based on your prompt, then you need to click on new discussion. And here you're gonna click on create a video and you just have to include your optimized prompt. Once you put your prompt, you can just click on generate. And now Meta's AI is generating 4 different AI videos for free. The 4 videos have been generated. And as you can see, the result is astonishing. Now you can choose the video that you like among the 4. I'm gonna choose this one. And once you've clicked on it, you have many different options. The first thing that you can do is to change your prompt. If you click right here, you will have the possibility to change your prompt and generate again your video. What you can also do is to add music. And finally, the last thing that you can do is to click right here on navigate and you can change your AI video to different styles. If you click on luminescent and then you just need to click right here and on the left it will generate again your video. Creating your AI videos with Meta only takes a few minutes and it's totally free. Meta AI just finished and this video is simply amazing. It kept the same details and the same video as earlier, but it only changed the effect of the lights. When the video is generated, you can of course download it. The second AI that you can use for free is Grok AI. You just need to go on grok.com and you'll get here. Then to access the AI video generator, you need to click on this button, which is called Imagine, and we have many different AI videos created by other people. And you can do many different things with Grok AI. If you want to create your video based on your prompt, you just need to include your prompt just like I did, and then you have to change the different settings at the bottom. Of course, you need to select the video if you want to generate a video, and you can choose different formats for your video. I'm gonna keep 16 by 9 and you just need to click on generate the video. As you can see, the video is now being generated and the generation is very quick. The video is amazing. There is even the sound in the background and the details with the coffee and the penguins is simply amazing. Once you've created your video, if you click on this button, it will automatically generate your video one more time. And the second way to create amazing AI videos with Grok AI, what you're gonna do is to include your prompt in the prompt bar. And this time you need to select images and you can select your format. This time I'm gonna choose 9 by 16. And then you click on generate. The more you scroll down, the more images it's gonna create. If I like this one, I just need to click on this one. And if you click on this button, which is make a video, then it will automatically create a video based on your image. But what you can do before generating your video is to change the image directly on Grok AI. If you click here, you can then choose edit image and then you can include your prompt to change the image. In my prompt, I said remove the clouds. As you can see, it's exactly the same image, but without the clouds. Then I can directly click on make a video. So as you see, the video is really amazing and you can create as much as you want. And finally, the last AI of this video is Arena.ai. This AI is very simple to use. On the left, you have many different modes, such as the battle mode, where you have 2 anonymous models, the side-by-side, where you can compare 2 models, and finally the direct chat, where you can choose only 1 model at a time. What you need to click on is generate videos, and you just need to include your prompt and it will generate 2 AI videos. And as you can see, there is now 2 videos that are being generated by 2 different AI video generation models. The two videos now have been generated. Let's see the results. And now you can choose which video was better. I think that the second AI video was better. And now, as you can see, the AI video generation model has been revealed. The first AI was generated by Sora 2 and the second one by Veo 3.1. And you can generate as much videos as you want on this website. You can change your prompt and be very specific. So you're now able to create as much videos as you want for free using the 3 AI tools that I showed you in this video. You can use Meta, Grok, and Arena to create your amazing AI videos for free and without any watermarks. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.